channel. So today, welcome to back our channel. I'm going to make a fire truck. Look, this is my fire truck. Does that looks cool? Yes. It's got a ladder. When you put it in the siren, it got sound. See, if you can press it like this, and then you can put the ladder like that, and then you can put the ladder in there. See? And the fireman climbs there, and it can hold something. It can hold like that. It can hold like that. It can hold it like this. And it's so high. See? Thank you for watching us. Just search for Noah channel for me. Bye-bye.